In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a high-impact Trello workflow for your business. Whether you're opening Trello for the first time or tightening up your current system, I'll walk you through a clear, repeatable process that keeps everything moving smoothly, from idea to done. We'll start with a simple Kanban flow, which moves tasks from left to right, so you can literally see progress happen. Begin with a brain dump or backlog list. This is your catch-all space for every idea, task, and project. Get it out of your head and into Trello so nothing slips. Next, create a to-do this week list. Here, pick the top 3 to 5 high-impact items you want to focus on in the coming days. This gives you intention without overwhelming your week. Then add a today or up next list for the immediate priorities you're taking on right now. Keep this list short so you can finish what you start. Move active work into in progress or doing to signal what you're currently handling. Finally, celebrate the wins by dragging completed tasks into done. That visual payoff reinforces momentum and helps you review what worked. Now, let's turn each task into a complete workspace by optimizing individual cards. Open a card and add checklists to break large, fuzzy goals into small, actionable steps you can actually finish. Set due dates to lock in deadlines and opt in for email or browser reminders so nothing sneaks up on you. Use attachments to store contracts, documents, or reference links right on the card, keeping context a click away. Then apply color-coded labels to categorize by priority, like urgent or normal, or by business area such as marketing, finance, or client work. Keep your labels consistent and meaningful so you can filter and scan at a glance. To stay organized at scale, structure your boards and workspaces thoughtfully. Avoid cramming everything into a single board. Use a master task board for your daily and weekly work so your routine remains focused. Spin up project-specific boards for larger initiatives. Think a product launch, a content calendar, or your standard operating procedures, so each project has room to breathe. For client work, create dedicated boards or a separate workspace to manage deliverables and communication cleanly, without mixing them with your internal tasks. If you found value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.